How to redeem the IMVU gift card. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily redeem a gift card on the official IMVU website. But before we begin, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and simply search for IMVU, and then you will see this result right on top. The first thing you have to do is make sure to log into your account. So just open up the website and make sure that you are logged into your account where you want to redeem the gift card. And once you're logged in, you will land on the home page like this. Now on the top bar of your screen, you'll have different options like home, feed, inventory, shop, and then chat. Here you have other options like get Vcoin, your shopping cart, notifications, inbox, and many more. So what you want to do here is simply click on this coin icon right here that says credits. Just tap on it and then click on credit sale. Now you'll be taken to a different page where you can purchase different kind of credits for a different amount of money. And right besides that, here you have an option for gift card redemption. So if you already have a valid gift card, you can just enter the gift card number here to redeem the gift card. You just have to make sure that your card number is valid, and once you scratch the card and get the code, just enter the code here and click on redeem, and if the card is valid, the corresponding amount will be added to your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.